Alright, here's a script based on the transcript you provided, tailored for a YouTube video on RoamTips.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're diving into a super simple Mac trick, how to add spacers to your dock. This is a great way to organize your apps and make your dock a little less cluttered. Now before we jump in, if you find this helpful, give the video a like, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more Mac and tech tips. Also, keep in mind this is just my personal experience. Your results may vary slightly. All the commands we'll be using today will be linked in the description below.
Okay, let's get started.
The first thing you need to do is open the Terminal application on your Mac. You can find it in Launchpad or just use Spotlight Search. Just type Terminal. Once you have Terminal open, we need to paste in a command to add a spacer. I've got the commands ready to go in a text document here. Remember, you can find these in the description. For this example, let's add a small spacer. I'm going to copy the small spacer command, then paste it right into the terminal window. Now when I press enter, my dock is going to restart quickly, all my open apps will reappear, and the spacer will be there. Let's do it. Presses enter in the video. Okay, as you can see, the dock restarted, my apps are back, and there's our spacer. These spacers behave just like any other app icon. You can click and drag them to move them around.
Place it wherever you want.
If you want to get rid of a spacer, just right-click on it and select Remove from Dock. Boom, gone. Want to add more spacers? Easy. Just paste and execute the command again for each additional spacer you want. So, I'll paste the command again, and now I have another spacer. I'll put it next to Safari.
Paste it again and another one.
Now, what if you want a larger spacer? It's the same process. Copy the command line for the larger spacer from the description, paste it into Terminal, and hit Enter.
Press Enter.
See? A much bigger spacer. Again, you can drag it and position it however you like, even right next to the smaller spacer. Personally, I find the large spacer a little too big, so I'm going to remove it and stick with the smaller one. And that's it. That's how you add spacers to your dock on your Mac.
Super simple, right?
If this video helped you organize your dock, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on RoamTips.com.